Once you open your company in one of the free zones around Dubai, you won't need to rent an office if you don't need it. In fact, as a rule, the same free zone in which the company opens, at no additional cost, will provide you with a so-called share desk, which you can use when you need it. However, the fact of being able to use it does not mean that you are obliged to use it, and you will be able to manage the business of your company even remotely. In addition, consider that in Dubai, condominiums, and not just luxury ones, generally provide residents with many ancillary services, usually at least the gym and swimming pool, and in several cases also workspaces and dedicated meeting rooms, which you can book for free in case you have to do business meetings. Those who often need a space for meetings, as a rule, direct their preferences towards condominiums that offer this type of service. One area in which there are many residences with this type of ancillary service is downtown. If you need specific advice, you can contact us at the contact details you find in the description, and we will put you in touch with an international tax lawyer highly specialized in assisting clients in your position.